Well, Tim had told me that it was cooler to the feet instead of pavers. I was thinking of reusing the pavers that we had and then incorporating that into the general design, but he said, no, the travertine is a lot less expensive. And then when I
Awesome.
saw the coping in the blend of the color, sold. So we had a pool at a previous home, and I had done an inlay of a gray border, so I knew I wanted a border of some sort. So when I saw the two different styles of material, I said, the French pattern and the white would be fantastic, and then Cabo was what we used for the coping, and then the border all the way around. That was great. Really did a lot by the phone with credit card deposit, and they handled that, got the receipt the same day, and it was pretty seamless. Went down and looked at the material with Tim, and we were done. Already done that many times. So everyone who sees it, they're like, who did the work? Who did the work?